Letter E. E, is for elephant. That's uppercase E. Here is lowercase e. Upper and lowercase do not look the same. One is tall and it's got straight lines. The other one is short and it's got curvy lines. So let's talk about things that start with eh. Let's see, we've got egg. And I'm going to point up to show beginning sound. Elevator. Elephant. Elbow. And then back to where we started. All right. How do you write an E? Well, like we said, the uppercase E is tall, and we're going to start at the top and go straight down. You will pick up your pencil. Straight lines across the top, the middle, and the bottom. Uppercase E is tall. You want to start at the top. Don't start from the bottom. Put your straight lines on. And that is E. Look at all the straight lines. Lowercase e goes straight across and then wee all the way around. Don't pick up your pencil till you're done. Straight line, don't pick it up. Wee all the way around. And we'll do one more. Sideways and then all the way around. A lot of us have E's in our name, so you want to make sure you're doing it right. E is not a puzzle. It's one long noodle, so don't put it together differently every time. Okay, our other game that we're going to do today is segmenting. We're going to use my parking lot today. I have 4 spots I can park cars into, depending on how many sounds our word is. If I do dog, we would go duh, right? Duh, ah, guh. D, A, G. All right, that was only 3. All right, how about glue? We like to glue things on our paper. G, O, U. G, O, U. That was only 3. Okay, bring it down. Let's do red. R, E, D. That was only 3 as well. R, E, D. All right. What if we do frog? Frog. F, R, A, G. We broke it into 4 parts. F, R, A, G. All right. Let's do one more, and then we're going to change it up a little bit. What if you get the word duck? D, A, K. D, A, K. All right. Now, when we do our test next week, we're not going to have cars in parking lots. You're only going to have yourself. And we have been practicing that when we point like this, we're talking about the first sound and we freeze. So dog would be D, A, G. 1, 2, 3. If you get fish, F, I, sh. If you get hop, H, A, P. Okay, now if moving like this is a little confusing, you may count on your fingers. You may do dog like D, A, G, and do 3. Let me use my other hand. D, A, G. All right. If you get the word tub, T, A, B. And we'll do one more. What if you get fish? F, I, sh. Okay, however you want to do it, whatever's easier for you. All right, I will see you later.